Hello and welcome to day 17 of my 50 days to 50. My name is Jennifer and I'm on day 17 headed towards my 50th birthday, and what I'm doing every day is finding one random item that maybe I've missed in a previous declutter and I'm getting rid of it. So one easy place for me to go look was my sock drawer today. It is always a good idea to do a revisit to some drawers that you might have that have things that kind of fit and stay and you don't necessarily need or use. So that's what I did today, and boy did I find some stuff. I've got actually, there was some that still had fresh tags on them, and that is just a perfect donate for me. But I also ran into some workout socks that I just am not using anymore, and then also just some other random socks. So it's a great day to get rid of socks. So that's today's item. Thank you for checking me out, and please, if you can, subscribe, like, share. I appreciate it. Thanks so much.